Introducing the What's Up WH38X10017 and WH38X10019 washer drive shaft and shifter assembly, your solution to smooth laundry cycles. Tired of your washer causing loud noise and vibration when spinning? You're not alone, and we're here to help. Welcome to What's Up, your trusted Amazon store, where we've got the perfect solution for your GE and Hotpoint washers. Our WH38X10017 and WH38X10019 washer shaft and shifter assembly is designed to make your laundry cycles seamless. These genuine OEM replacement parts replace the following parts. WH38X10017 white label is compatible with WH38X10015 replaces. WH38X10019 red label is compatible with 175D6812G001 and replaces. We supply a tub seal and instruction sheet with the shaft and shifter assembly. No more worries about your washer getting stuck in the same cycle or leaving your laundry unfinished. With our washer shaft and shifter assembly, you can restore your washer's functionality and enjoy a hassle-free laundry experience. At What's Up, we're not just about selling parts, we're about making your life easier. Our team is dedicated to helping you find the perfect part for your appliance, ensuring it operates at its best. We understand that appliance repairs can sometimes be challenging, but with our easy-to-install replacement part and the manual, you will be an expert. If you need guidance, you can find online video tutorials to assist you every step of the way. We're here to make your home appliances work efficiently, so you have more time for the things you love. Contact us now through Amazon and say goodbye to those washer problems. Welcome to a world of smooth laundry cycles. Happy shopping!